Hey guys, Greg T from the Image Stop, doing a overview, I guess, of your best of series pages and how to upload the new ones here. So what we've done is we've created a new template for those specific ones. Very similar. So some of the things are going to be repetitive in this, but we're not going to go into the details as far as how to add the feed and everything, as far as the pardon me, as far as the playback and everything is concerned, because that but this is just going to kind of cover over how to add the people. So here is the existing page. It's got in this case we're using 84, but it's got the sponsor at the top, Mark Hunter here, Barb, Craig, and then you've got the feed and then the key takeaways. Well, we've already created, oops, wrong one here, one for that, okay? Now, because of the fact that the way that the pages are already named, we don't want to change this, so the best of the do's and don'ts, we've left that here as is, okay? Now, this right here, the tweet, share, pin, share, that right there, what we're gonna remove that from the template, so don't worry about that. That will no longer be there, but this portion here is something we add here, and then here, as you can see, we have created this page, very similar layout as far as all this is concerned, and we'll show you how to do that. So pretty simple. Let's do that with this particular section right here. We're going to do this with episode 85. Now, we have episode 85 open in a new page, so we can kind of cover that. And again, there's going to be one spot here we're going to get rid of, but don't worry. So let's start here. We open the page first of all. So we've got that open, and it's got all that extra code from all the stuff from the previous page. As you know, we can go in here, and if we wanted to, I'm going to open this in a new tab. We can go and check this section here as far as the actual playback thing. Now, as I said, I wasn't really go into that, but no harm in doing so. So kind of scroll down here, we find out where that one is. There it is, right there. There's your Smart Track player. And we can go all the way through. And make sure we got that all right to the end here. Right to, where is the Small Track player begin and end? My apologies here. I wasn't going to actually do this section, which is why I wasn't really prepared for that one. That's kind of funny. So, I'm going to go right through to this section here, copy that, and not worry about that page. So here's what we're going to do. Now that we're in there, okay, we're on the visual side here on the front end. We're going to click the Enable Visual Builder, go to that section. Now what it's going to do, just like the other one here, it's going to kind of pop up and say, hey, this isn't using that builder. We need to add something. So I'm going to say choose the pre-made layout, and you'll see what's happened here in your saved layouts. We go to that, and you're going to see a new one there. What we've done is use that other one that we just showed you there from episode 84 as our main template. Now you're getting the double load, as you know, happens. So no, not too worried about that. It is a pain, I realize that, but it does end up playing better in the front end later. Okay, so we load this up, and here it is, the best of layout. I'm going to add that one on there, use this layout. So this is going to take and replace all the existing things. You're going to see that. And perfect, so it has all the other stuff now put into this place perfectly. Staying in the visual builder now, we're going to be able to make some of those changes and stuff. First thing I'm going to do is go down to the player, and let's fix that coding that we have in there. That should be good. That is going to load the new one. Beautiful. Now, here's how you're going to change all those things. Now, we're going to just kind of, what we'll be doing on the back end is going back and forth between, this one and the previous, and the one that we're reworking here. Okay, so there's 85. We're going to go in here and change this one here. So it's no longer going to be Mark on through. We're going to go Dan through Cyan. There we are. Okay, looking good there. Again, don't worry about this one here. We're going to remove it on this particular one, but we'll remove it from the template too. So all good there. We got that. Now, if the sponsor changes, it's going to be as simple as going in here and changing the image if necessary, and changing the text on this. In this case, that isn't going to change, so we're not going to worry about it. The meet the featured speakers portion, now that is going to be changing here. So we've got Dan Disney, and so we've got his name, the bio, and the Instagram and or Twitter information. So tried to make this pretty simple as well. How we do that is we're going to go in here, we're going to put person settings, we're going to put his name in here. What I'm doing is copying that from the actual page off screen here. And go in here, just so there's no formatting, and go here, select all, paste. There we go, goes in there nicely. And I'm copying the links to his social media. And well, look, this is how we've made this one even more simple than the previous one. Only reason because the layout really attributes itself well to this. And there's our Twitter right there. And done. That sets those. Now, obviously, if you have an email address, a website, a Facebook profile, or Instagram profile, you can put those there as well. Or if you don't want one there, you can take that and it'll actually remove it. So that's an easy way of removing those extra ones here. So that's there. And then for his picture, we just simply have to go into the actual photo. His name's Dan, so I'm pretty sure his picture's already been uploaded from a previous. There we go. Yep, we've got that there. So we're going to pick this one here, upload image. Now these have all been preset as well, so all the imagery and everything is going to adjust according to the screen sizes, but it's been, as I say, it's been done preset for you. And done. That's it. So there we go. Now we go to Barb. Now, what may happen here, as I'm kind of doing, not Barb, Jill, sorry. As we do Jill's here, what may happen as you're doing some of this is, and I don't know because I haven't looked at all of the pages that you're reproducing here, but it may be, say that you have to go and add an extra one, okay, an extra person that one of the other that the template didn't have there. No problem, okay, and I'll show you how to do that right as soon as I get to the very end here. So after I finish this one, there's Jill all done. We just have to put her picture in accordingly now. So Jill. Now this is a really good way to search in case you've already uploaded, which as you know, in this case we have. We do a quick search and we'll find that picture really quickly. Really nice there. And then last time we're doing the, I believe it's cyan. Okay. And we'll add him there. Again, copying everything from another page right at this particular point in time. And down here. See, if I just copy and paste, is that going to set much in there? Doesn't set a lot of text. We're okay to just do a straight copy and paste. I like that. Okay, now let's put these profile URLs in. Good. Boom, done. And then lastly, we want to put his picture in there. Yes, excellent. So that is great. Now, as I was saying, say you have a fourth guest in there. I'm assuming you won't, but all you have to do is just do a duplicate of the row, take that, and drag it down below the existing one here. And that'll pop right in there. The reason I did the one above is because you're getting the gray background, so it has a visual separation there. That's only if you have any extras. But we're going to assume that you don't in this case, because I think you're probably fine without that. And that sums up there. Now all I have to do now to finalize this page is go in here. We're going to select all, paste that. I already took a look at this previously. Does not add a lot of extra coding, just the bold part, the strong part, which is great. So that's there, done. And that does finish the page for you. So all you have to do is click save. And once saved, you can exit the builder. And now episode 85 is completed as well. There you go, all set. Now you might notice occasionally, from page to page, that the Sales Reinvented news section over here and mission and vision statements may be a little bit thinner than what they are on the other pages. Now that is just because the way the columns and stuff need to be set up to work well for this particular layout, for this one. Slight difference, not a big deal. Now the modules themselves will stay the same. They just change size-wise because they are fit into a slightly different section area in the pardon me, in the actual page. Now there may be some things that you're not sure about here as far as some spacing. One thing I'm seeing right here is the Twitter and the Instagram logo. It's a little tight there. There is a very simple way to fix that or to change that up, and I'll show you how to do that right here. what we're going to do is we're going to go to that section. I'm actually going to do it right straight out on this side. I'm going to hit a hard return there, okay, on each of the ends of these paragraphs. Now you can go into the module and do it as well. Just there, so do the hard return there. I think I did two actually. Here we go. Now, if we save the page, that should do it. And there we go. Adds more space there. Kind of like that. You know, just a little cleaner. So that's it. That's everything. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, do let me know. And yeah.